Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stop sharing your location on your iPhone and check if anyone can track your location without your knowledge. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap on your name. Scroll down and check the list of devices connected to your Apple ID. If you see a device you no longer use or don't recognize, tap on it and remove it from your account. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap Privacy and Security. Then select Location Services. Here, you'll see all the apps that can access your location. Open any app that is set to Always and change it to Never, Ask Next Time, or while using the app, depending on your preference. Now, go back and tap Share My Location. Here you can see if location sharing is enabled and which people can currently see your location. If you no longer want to share your location with someone, tap their name and select Stop Sharing My Location. You can also check for unknown tracking devices. Open the Find My app and tap Items at the bottom. If an unknown AirTag or tracking device is detected near you, it will appear here. Finally, there's one more important place many people forget: Google Maps. Open Google Maps, tap your profile icon at the top right, then go to Location Sharing. Here you'll see anyone who can see your live location. If you don't want to share with someone, just tap their name and choose Stop Sharing. That's how you can stop sharing your location and make sure no unwanted device is tracking you. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.